pressure of my husband, you know. And then obviously I didn't have the money to change the marriage contract. 5 years later, 2025, last year, I changed the marriage contract.
Yeah.
We saw it through. We did a post-nuptial. We are currently married out of community of property without accrual, you know. And those...
Did you say you are still married? You just said it.
No, actually, I heard on TikTok that I'm divorced.
Me too.
Yes.
I was like, my friend, I didn't know.
Hey, Mia.
I'm like, I talked to you, but I don't know.
When you called me, I'm like, oh, I'm divorced. Yo, where's my marriage certificate? Maybe this person did mshika and divorced me. But yes, I'm still very much married. But we're living in separation. It's in the book somewhere. We're just separated, but we're still very much married. And so I changed the marriage contract. We are now married out of community of property. And for me, when we did that, remember it started in 2020, it wasn't out of division, but it was out of vision of the family, you know, that now I was a full-time entrepreneur as well. So I thought maybe 2 estates built side by side, it will be better for the children and for our future than 1 estate built together. We are all taking risks with our names in businesses, you know, dice in business. And imagine he's busy doing that, I'm busy doing that, and then it will just hit us again, just like it did in COVID. So when I had the conversation again with him, obviously he was not of it. And because again now, also men have got egos. Maybe, you thinking because now you are a working wife and. But I think he saw the vision because you cannot do a post-nuptial without the other person consenting and actually going through the process with you. So we did that, which I think it was the best decision that we did for us and our children.
Oh, guys, am I being toxic for liking that tension of fight between Promise Makunyana and Owam? Guys, and like I'm so glued ke sana. Uthi ke sana uma promi unprovoked engabuzwanga ne. I am very much married. Ibuya sana indoda ka promising as kwalonto. Ithi with who? Because I have moved on. Dine girlfriend yam sana publicly so wonke umuntu uyayibona igirlfriend ye country. Abuye sana uma owish owi. Athi yena the worst nightmare that can happen in your life is to marry someone that is undivorceable. Yo, guys. Ndithi intona lesikuyo guys. Ibuya sana indoda ka Promise ithi ke ngoku xa kubhalwa pha uba hayibo uPromise uthi nisachatile ntontontoni ingaba yinyani lonto leyo athi sana la bhuti. No, divorce takes time wethu ukuthi process wenziwe yonke lanto leya. Ugqiba kwakhe athi futhi ke ndakumphoxa aphache umuntu ophinda abhale ngoPromise apha and ethetha ngoba ngumfazi wami uPromise. Ne? Ndicela uba ngaba ukhona umuntu onesikoko okanye osezophinde athi mina ndishade noPromise abe uyayazi into ba ndizamblocker anye. Hayi, ndithi lo bhuti sana udikwe finish into enoPromise sana ume apha uGeno akafuna ova into enoPromise phakathi abe esithi sana uPromise mina I don't understand abantu, you are just not a girl's girly if ever wena uzoposta story just because ufuna utrenda for 3000 uzawuhola 3000 kweso story but ube uhetha ifeelings zomnye umuntu atsho ke sana uma promi elandukile ene crocodile tears manje echiphiza kancinci chiphisana ecacisa ke sana uhlala nolungelo phofu hypocrite yena qala because ulungelo yena self umane ezihlekisa into engekhoyo xa kufuneka abuza questions eziserious yabo. Hayi ke sana promi athi ungade ucaba ubila uyaphushuluka ubile umanzi nte ufuna ukwenza istory se 3000. The very same promi ke sana owaye walanduka yena uwesi ke nduxelele because waye wafaka ipetrol wathenga ukutya wathenga iairtime ugqiba kwakhe akaphelela apho wathwala inhloko walangatyeka wahamba yakulu eFryhead eyo interviewer ex husband ka owam wayengenaxesha la ukuthi 3000 le aleqekayo ithatha. Whereas u-OEO ke yena ke khange abesokola sana, uvele wagxumeka ikhamera yakhe apha ekamereni, wenza yonke into setup yakhe sana, waqalisa uthetha. So yena akana cost owam sana, la 3000 nca kuye engxoweni sana, injengoba injalo. Whereas ke ngokuma promi yo guys, inoba sisigulo laa nto yoba into xa irongo isenziwa nguwe ungayiboni, then xa isenziwa omnye umntu ufuna ukudlala i-victim, because ngoku uthi kwenzelwe i-3000 phofu yena waye wathwala intloko for i-3000 i-transportation, ukutya, i-airtime, intontoni, waye-Vryheid wayokwenzela le 3000 of which kutsho ukuthi yaphelela kwakweza cost zendlela sana. Qha beqomba istori sona uzobuya naso siphila, akazusincama tu esa story esiya, because kaloku owamfuneke aziwe ngumphakathi uba wayehlambisa indoda iipeyinti. Yo, ininzi phofu into ayithethayo bethunani, ininzi nawe ungakho uyozivela. Uba ngaba awukho ku-YouTube usana, awuyo-YouTube girl or brother, ingathi ngoku uye sana, but indaba uyazithanda njengam, ingathi ngoku uyomkroba, but uqala ugqithe kweyami ipage kaloku, because uncedwe ndim uba uzowazi ezi ndaba. Ufuna kweyami ipage phaa kulantuka ku-YouTube, it's Life with Siya, Life with Siya. Ufike phana usubscribe nje qha, ushiye iheart, bese ugqitha ke mntase, uleqe mntase, ye uyaphoswa, uleqe phana sana. Une-videos eyi-4 uba zikho eyi-5 sana esenza ngolantuka nguPromi. So uno 3000 abangaphi? Une-3000 yokuqala, 3, 6, 9, 12. Uba kana 12000 une-15 ngoku, because senze 4 or 5 sana. Nca kuye ke sana uNinja Girl. Yo guys, andiso ndiglued sana kweza story, ndincamathele. And ke sana mna endiyibonayo i-nightmare enkulu yile yoba Delulu shem. Ithi indoda isithi ndincedeni sana undincamathisela kwezo zinto, mna ndincedeni, andimazi lo mntu lowo, lavalwa sana ucango, abe elityhudi sesithi ndingumama kanana, mna ndizawungena. Yo guys, yo eqona laa nto yoba uqomba ndizawukhutshwa ngeerharafu sana, ndawudontswa ngeenkabi, ngeenkunzi, ndawudontswa ngamahashi kule relationship, andiphumi. Ulapho sana umaPromi, uphola apha entloko, uphola ukubhubha, uzixeba abhazi uyenjoya tula relationship yabintsha, because wow, indoda sana i-public nge-relationship yayo, izipostela sana uBeyonce light wayo, yonwabile nje, iyaflorisha, itshona ngapha napha, ayifihli futhi into obikwi-relationship. umaPromi abe esithi yena nditshatile, ndithi andiyindawo, andigunqi. Heyi, andixoze sana uma-OEO xa esithi uPromi ne sekethe nca ke ngokwesi certificate somtshato, seketshate naso, because indoda yona hambile, ayikho indoda uthe nca kuso sana esa certificate. Umuntu ongathatha esa certificate guys, yo andimazi no bangajika kwi-highest court okanye bangalwa, like yo kungaphuma nomphefumlo, because uthi uma-OEO esa certificate silalapha esifubeni, esithe esasandla sigunqa nedoku yosekuseni, icertificate silapha esifubeni. Yo guys, andisoyoyiki le into, ndizawuphinde ndibuye guys ndizonixeba seyimaxa ndawoni le into.
Injalo mntanam, injalo mntanam, because divorce in the beginning, it looks like you guys are matured. Ma'am, what's your take on divorce matter and emails? That promise, Makunyana. Okay, I do have a take now. I do have a take, and the reason why I have a take is because I can relate. So in the morning I did see some videos, you know, on YouTube where people were talking about this matter, where there was like an email which is from Promise, and she was sending the husband, because they're still married up, allegedly. Before the email, there's a comment which was trending, which is from Lawrence Makunyani's account, where he was commenting on some other people's stuff and saying that, look, the marriage ends with the family first before it ends at the court. So according to the family, I'll paraphrase, the marriage is over, so whatever that happens in the court, you know, will follow. And I think that he's replying to, because the video itself is talking about how Promise is saying that she's still very much married to her husband, although they're separated, you know. I know how it's like to try and keep things out of the public, then somebody takes the things to the public, and then you trying to contain them until you can't anymore. Because that email that she's sending to him, allegedly, and saying, my guy, I let you be, I let you vent, I let you do whatever, and all of the stuff that you are doing, and I'm just waiting for summons from you, and you are dragging this thing and you are delaying these things and all of that stuff, while you are saying, now I'm trying to use the divorce or being married to make money and all of that stuff. Injalo mtanam, injalo mtanam, because divorce, in the beginning, it looks like you guys are matured. In the beginning, it looks like you guys will get along and you will have a peaceful one and nobody's going to step on anybody's toes. Until now, egos are being bruised. Until the other one seems to be doing fine while the other one is not. Injalo mtanam. And it's going to still be kanjalo. Some of us, we didn't want to talk as well. You know, a mouth didn't want to open. I, for one, my mouth didn't want to open. I remember very well, I shared this story. I think even when I went to a podcast, I spoke about this, that I had a voice note of my ex talking about me in the corridors. That's when their mouth opened. That's where they're being civil. They're doing it privately. They're being matured about it. I want mine to be peaceful for the sake of the children. It went out the window. It went out the window because uyabona ngoku ba hayi endidelela lo mntu lo. Their ego is so bruised that at the end of the day, it's that they want me to look bad. Because men have got a thing of really being obsessed with the other person looking bad for being the reason why the divorce has come to an end. Because in as much as women are the ones who initiate in most cases, if you check the stats, but they initiate because they're hurtful. And women who initiate, the men in most cases cannot even believe, this person, I never thought she would want to initiate a divorce with me. It happens to the best of us. But let me tell you, mtanam, it will open your mouth. You will shut it until it opens. Injalo mtanam, injalo. This is something I don't wish on my worst enemy. And when I was looking at all of those things, I was like, oh, my sister, I wish instead of changing the marriage regime, you took that money, you divorced this man and you cohabit. Because according to the families, you guys were still going to be married. But on paper, you are divorced. But the fact that you are still having a marriage certificate, my sister, hey, injalo mtanam. Mtanam injalo. It will mess you up to a point where even when your intentions or your plan was to keep quiet about it and not even confront this person, they will poke you until you have to type emails. Injalo mtanam. Injalo. And I wish her all the best, Chef.
Bona khanya o wa mi le Promise Makunyane. Ga ne simolla go ntleng ga ya simolla ile something personal. Baba gopolang ba gopola. Ga ya simolla ile something personal. Ya re khentse na go ntse ya bapalelana go sena a ke re bankane ba le babedi go sena opo go gelang go morago. E be ba felletsa ba involve each other's personal lives, right? And it went as far as Promise Makunyane atama a ilola ka ex ya Owami. I'm tsenya go podcasting yage, I'm interviewer, and according to the interview go podcasting ele, we remember it, we have all seen it. If you follow ale saga ya bone, you know what happened to that podcast. Promise was advocating for that man. Promise wanted us, and let me tell you something, deep down her heart, Promise knew that man was wrong, because we know who the gender ele am, but because nalona le Owami abasimula batla go dithena itse ka re no o saitale that man. But let me tell you something, she was not citing that man. Deep down she wasn't. Na yetsa fela to become spiteful go Owami. A lot of things happened from then. Yanenze le scambe o are. And then Owami comes to say no, Promise is going through divorce, right? And of which Promise are high through divorce, but o separated with the husband, meaning how separated the husband did together. Then soon the divorce proceedings will start. I mean, why since if you solve then you're gonna remain staying together. Anyway, that is none of my business. Whatever. But what I want you to know, you are not going to come here and want to tell Owami gore a tshege Promise yang and a mo tshege for sebakanyana se kanang. If Owami ga isa hili, let her laugh for as long as she wants to laugh. Because let me tell you something, ne? Ga gona so se utlwisang botlhoko, like somebody making fun or being spiteful go wena ka something se leng gore se go tlwisitse botlhoko go feta anything else mo lefatsheng. I once watched this other podcast, this other guy, ke a marriage counselor. So, are ha kopana le di-client tsage tse leng gore they are going through divorce, ba palelane ne. Wa ba botsa gore, how does divorce feel like? Because he's married, but ha isa ka ba divorce. Wa ba botsa, if le can explain le kutlwa yang ka divorce, e feel like what? Ba re wetse ke ha re tlo re ka compare le eng. Ebile we think death is better than divorce. That's to show how painful that thing is. So, us as women, we must refrain from go tshegana, especially ha re feta mo maemong a ileng gore a involve gender engwe ele. Because let me tell you something, gender engwe ele izokuhlaza, uthanda ungathandi izokuhlaza. Right? And ha isini nna kwa go ya go hlazeka, o sa ba tshega ba ba sentseneng ba hlazeka at that moment. Because o se tshegiyo wileng mareledi a sa le. And it's ke be re gantso le busy tshega motho for going through something, even na gore wena when you're starting to go through the same thing or the similar thing, o batla gore o mmitse a bully because of wa go tshega. No. It's on record. The videos are there. You are not a girl's girl. You never was and you will never be.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrenda Promise Makonyana ngemva kokuthi abe ne-interview nalungelo lapha eUNISA. Siyibonile nje itrenda kakhulu kubo YouTube kanye nalaphana kubo TikTok maclip akhona la khuluma khona indzabe yokuthi yena usashadile na Lawrence Makonyane leku ngibabe bantu abakhe basashadile kuthi akakashadi so divorceile yena uthole kubo social media ayiboka njani because your man is saying ukuthi akakashadanga nawe uthi futhi banda bahlukane nokugqiladana nokuhlukubeda intombi yakhe lesha bhuti siyambona uthi inkundleni yokuxhumana bo TikTok uyamposta medium wakhe bahlezi bahamba ngalesikhathi nashade na Promise. Ngiyakhumbula Promise bekathi indoda yakhe ayimposte because he's a businessman and he's always busy. Kanjani intombi lenshashal 2K aliposte enkundleni yokuxhumana. Ngiyakhumbula nje Promise athi yena she will never leave her husband noma ngabe uchithile ngeke amshiye ngeke amshiswe ukuthi uchithile. And people have been saying how Bokelo, what do you mean? Hey Mrs. My husband this my husband that uyagoa and akaggowe uyafokofa, and people are loving it because kudzala inatenda amaqhuzu wemshado and owami akahleki uyafa jabule uyafa owami because naye ukhumbule kwa interview indoda ya owami ex-husband ya owami rather ngalesikhathi baqedza kudivorce and akuzange umphathe kahle lokho owami, so now she's clapping back kasana. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.